Hey fellow woodcutters, Top Saw here. Just got back from the American Woodworking and Furniture Show in Vegas. Met these great guys. They have a channel called Make a Wood Sign or MakeWoodSign.com. It's a great YouTube channel, and I got this plate for the bottom of my DeWalt router so I could hand carve with this template. So I'm going to do this first day of school. Maybe not first day of school, but it's going to be our first project in the wood shop. So first thing you want to do is unhook the battery before you work on any tool. I'm going to take off this base plate. Put on the new faceplate, made right here in the US. Yeah, don't want to put it on that way. Sure a kid will though. Screwdriver, tighten them up. And then we're going to use a V cutter. So we're using a V cutter. You'll get a feeling for different router bits in this project. By turning this ring here, we come out a little bit, maybe like 1/4 inch or so. We could always make it deeper. It's hard to make it shallower. So I'm just going to come out a little bit, lock it down, ready to cut. Nowhere near the cutter with the battery in. Okay, that's set. Nice. Pretty deep, deeper than I thought. So now, I'm going to make it shallower, get a little finer detail. Pretty good. Could do a little more detail. Have a vac hooked up. I'm going to hit it one more time with flat black paint. Sand this thing down. And then there's our hand carved turtle. Not looking that good, but there are two options, I guess, if you don't like the way it looks. Either learn how to use the CNC or just keep doing this and practice a little bit more and more. All right, well, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.